Hey everyone! If you want to create videos with AI-generated presenters without recording yourself on camera, InVideo AI Avatars can help you produce professional content quickly and easily. In this video, I'll show you how to use InVideo AI Avatars from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and look for the AI Avatars feature. Depending on the current version of InVideo, it may be available within the AI video creation tools or presenter options. Next, choose an AI avatar from the available library. You may find different presenters with various appearances, languages, accents, and presentation styles. Take some time to preview the available avatars and select one that matches the tone and audience of your video. After choosing an avatar, enter the script you want the avatar to present. This could be a tutorial, product demonstration, business presentation, training video, marketing message, or educational lesson. The more polished your script is, the better the final video will appear. Review grammar, punctuation, and wording before generating the presentation. Next, select a voice option if multiple voices are available. You may be able to choose different accents, speaking styles, and languages depending on the platform's current features. And that's how to use InVideo AI Avatars in 2026. With AI-generated presenters and easy video creation tools, you can produce professional content without needing cameras, microphones, or on-screen recording. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.